It's your girl HettyAmens.
Hi, what's up? It's your girl HettyAmens of Hetty's Beauty Parlor. So today, what do we have? So today, I came to you with another tutorial on how to clean your brushes. Okay, so if you want to have this gorgeous, very clean and sanitized brushes, keep watching. It is very simple, nothing serious. You are good to go. So in this video, I'll show you the things you will need to clean all these brushes that I have here. So I'm a makeup artist and these brushes are what I use on my clients, and then the one besides it is my personal makeup brushes set. So these are my personal, and then that's in the bag are for my work purpose. So everything you would need to clean your makeup brushes is right here. So first you need a shampoo. I'm using Johnson's baby shampoo. Any shampoo, hair shampoo or body shampoo is okay. Olive oil, I'm using 100% olive oil. I think coconut oil will also work out if you do have coconut oil. And then I'm using a medical spirit or disinfectant because I want to disinfect the brushes, especially the ones that I use to work on clients. And then warm water, of course. Okay, and then you would need this egg brush. I think you can search on Amazon and then you will get it. So let's start. All that you have to do is soak the brush with a bit of water. Pour your shampoo or your baby shampoo or your hair shampoo on the brush. Wobble it on the egg brush and then go in with the olive oil. And that is all. You just swipe in circular motions to clean. So you can see the dirt are coming off. You can see. So at this stage, you just open your tap and then just cleanse everything off. And voila, you have your clean brush. Very, very easy. Within few seconds, we are done. So you can see how dirty the other one is and how clean this one is right now. So when you are done, you go back to disinfect it with the medical spirit or disinfectant. You wash it off and you are good to go. So you basically repeat the same process over and over again until you are done with your brushes. So just watch and then take a note on one or two things and you are good to go. So watch this step and then you will know how I do everything. Guys, this is very, very simple. Like in 2 minutes, like I was able to clean a whole lot of makeup brushes. So trust me, you can do it at home. Just find yourself some shampoo, any shampoo, whether the one you use to bath, hair shampoo or whatsoever, use it. Get yourself coconut oil or olive oil because you can use coconut oil to take off your makeup. Why can't you use it to take off the makeup from the brushes? So see how clean these two are. So you disinfect it and voila, just keep it repeating the same process. Do you also have, makeup sponge or beauty blender that you want to clean? So it's basically the same process. You pour the shampoo on, you pour the olive oil or coconut oil on. You just use your hand, fingertips, to just squeeze out the dirt, but never use the egg brush. Other than that, you are going to spoil it. So just use your hand and wash it off, and voila, you are good to go. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe because hey, your girl wants to get far. So I was able to clean all my makeup brushes in few minutes. Yes, and then I've put them back. So when you are done, if you have to air dry them, put them on a towel. Never put them under a sun. If you put it under a sun, the handles are going to break. So just put them on towel on an empty and then an open space. Allow it to air dry by itself, and hey, you are good to go. Okay, so do you normally have brushes that the handles have taken off? The brushes that you love the most are now ripping off. Don't worry, they are bound to happen. So just get yourself a glue gun with some glue sticks, plug it in, and then put the glue in the head. And then squeeze in the handle. And then you are good to go. Your brush is back to life. It wouldn't come off again. So just watch the second one. Okay, so this is very simple and easy. So thank you, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 tricks. I hope you have fun cleaning your brushes. It's your girl HettyAmens. You know what it is. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Follow me on Instagram at HettyAmens. Mwah.